Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Maps on the web or app and locating your general area. Tap or click where you want the coordinate. Long press on mobile or right-click on desktop to drop a pin. Once the pin appears, look at the info card or bottom bar to read the latitude and longitude. Make sure to zoom in for better accuracy before copying coordinates. This reduces rounding errors and ensures you capture the exact point you intend to share. Once you have the pin, tap the displayed coordinates to copy them. On desktop, click the numbers to open a panel and copy. You can paste decimal coordinates directly into the search box, another map, navigation app, or a GPS device. If a system requires degrees/minutes/seconds, convert them, either with the built-in map conversion feature or a quick calculator. Make sure values match the original to avoid shifting location. Remember to finish, save the dropped pin as a place or tap share to send a link or raw coordinates so others can open the exact location. Once done, verify the spot in satellite or street view to confirm it's the intended target. Visual checks catch errors that numbers alone might miss. If the coordinate seems off, re-drop the pin with a finer zoom, ensure you copied the full decimal string, and confirm your map's datum or app settings. Repeating these steps fixes most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.